Friday, everyone. You are watching America's first and only daily talk show for and about the Filipinos. My name is Janelle So, your kababayan in Los Angeles, where this afternoon we're going to be talking about a fiesta in the Filipino-American community. So many performers, some even flying from the Philippines. One of them is my favorite, Miss Ivy Violan, and she stops by today to chat with us. You wouldn't want to miss that. Also today on the show, very interesting, 15 ways to wear a shawl. We're going to have a mini fashion show also today. But before that, of course, one last look. Don't forget, happening tomorrow is the coronation night of the Queen Lola pageant. Here's one last look at our contestants.
Southern California Toyota, take you around town with Kababayan LA.
Because you're never too old to rock. Yan ang tagline ng Queen Lola pageant. Ang coronation night ng kauna-unahang beauty pageant para sa ating mga lola ay magaganap bukas sa Glendale, California. Pero simula pa sa screening at ilang mga araw bago ang big night, busy-busy na ang mga lola finalists sa pagiging pageant contestants. Pakaway-kaway habang naglilibot sa mga tourist attractions sa Hollywood at may music video pa.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy.
And like any other pageant, meron ding talent portion ng Queen Lola where the finalists sizzled on stage. May mga nag-ballroom dancing,
you can dance every dance with the guy who gives you the eye. Let him hold you tight. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. We'll dance till the daylight rock. Fireworks blazing in the saxophone. Little Joe blowing on the slide trombone.
at mayroon ding makabayan na nag-folk dancing. May nag-conga na complete with costume pa. Eto naman si Lola Sisa na naghahanap pa rin kay Crispin at kay Basilio.
Sinanday lang kaya nawawala mga anak ko. Basilio! Crispin! Nasaan kayo mga anak ko?
At isa pang kakaibang talent ay ang martial arts demonstration ni Lola. Siyempre pa, hindi mawawala ang kantahan.
Magpakailan pa man habang ako ay narito at may buhay.
Kaya kung saya ang hanap nyo, punta na sa Glendale Auditorium bukas, August 18th. For tickets, call 213-788-3323. Sino ang magiging first ever Queen Lola? Abangan!
Southern California Toyota, take you around town with Kababayan LA.
Alam niyo ba, halos 35 milyong Corolla na ang naibebenta sa buong mundo? At dito sa Amerika, ito ang best-selling compact car. Pero compact man, maluwag pa din ang loob ng Corolla. Sa trunk ay may 12.3 cubic feet ng cargo space. Maaari ding ilatag ang rear seats kung kailangan ng mas maluwag na lugar. Kakaiba din talaga ang style at value ng Corolla. May mga options para sa keyless remote system at moonroof. May advanced audio system din na may available Bluetooth at USB port upgrades para sa inyong technological needs. Ang makina ng Corolla ay may 4-cylinder 1.8-liter engine para sa 132 horsepower na takbo. Ang front suspension ng Corolla ay nakaangat sa additional subframe para mabawasan ang ingay at vibration. Ang resulta, smoother ride. And with an EPA estimated 28 city, 35 highway MPG rating, ang Corolla ay hindi lang masarap imaneho, kung hindi tipid pa sa gas at mabuti sa kalikasan. Kung kaligtasan naman ang hanap nyo, ang Star Safety System ay standard sa bawat Corolla, kasama na ang 6 na airbags. Kotse ba ang hanap nyo? Punta na sa pinakamalapit na Southern California Toyota dealership. Dahil dito, your Toyota dealers make it easy.